What's up guys, it's Deanna. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if this is the first time you guys are here. Thank you so much for being here. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you turn that notification bell on so you know when a video goes live. Today I'm going to show you guys a little quarantine project that I worked on. My in-laws were getting rid of like a 1980s dresser and I decided to take it and restore it, and now I have it in our guest room. It's right over there. I won't show you guys yet, but I'm very excited about it. And I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you guys have any questions and let's get to it. So I'm gonna be taking this dresser, I took the drawers out already, and I'm going to attempt to refinish it. We'll see how this goes. I'm kind of nervous. This is a quarantine project. We will see how it goes. I've applied the stripper. This is the Back to Nature Multi-Strip Advanced, I think it's called. This is what the box looks like. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So this is supposed to sit now for 2 to 4 hours, and then I will take, I don't have like a putty scraper, but I'm gonna use actually a snow scraper, an ice scraper. We'll see if it works. I'm just going with whatever I have here, and I figured, I was nervous like to even get started doing this, but now I'm like, you know what, this was actually going out for a donation. It was just gonna be gotten rid of, and I figured why not try to refinish it. So if it doesn't work out, it's okay, and I'll just donate it anyway. So I just took all the strip off. It was kind of a long process. I did not record it, but it was kind of difficult. And then I just used that after wash paint stripper, and I'm continuing to just kind of strip that sealant off, and then I'm going to paint it. So I was gonna buy new knobs, but now I have decided to actually just try to restore these. So this one I scrubbed with like a little Brillo pad thing, but I actually just watched a video on how to clean these without scrubbing. I'm gonna use just some ketchup and a little bit of water. So you're just gonna put a whole layer of ketchup all around, covering everything completely. Then I'm gonna add a little water, and then I'm gonna let that sit for about 30 minutes because this has some tough tarnish on it. So I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes, but you can do it for 10 to 20 minutes, and this works great on jewelry as well. I wanted to show you guys the before and after. My hands are filthy from cleaning these, but this is the before, and then this is the after. Pretty amazing. Like I said, I was gonna just get rid of these and get new ones, but I'm so glad that I decided to clean them instead. This still has to dry a little bit, but I'm so excited. I couldn't wait. I had to put the hardware on it. Look at how it came out just from like cleaning it with ketchup, and I am just so excited about this. It's turning out to be exactly how I wanted it to be, like the color, the grain. I'm so excited. So here is the final dresser. It's in the guest room. I have some more decor to put around it. I actually ordered a Pottery Barn mirror that's like a nautical round mirror. So I will show you guys that on my Instagram page. If you guys follow me, it's at Deanna. But yeah, I had so much fun doing this. It really kept me busy. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below, but I will see you guys next time. Bye.